Hey guys, know it's been a while since I posted a video, but here's my flat deck build.
So,
Box is pretty bad at this point.
there's the problem.
Couldn't really see under the plywood, so I wasn't really sure what I was in for, but as you see in the next few clips, shop dog, little shop dog action. I started peeling the plywood off and realized I was in for a little bit of an issue. A lot of holes. A lot of holes. Honestly, I've never seen a box in this bad of shape before. It's completely rotten. This side was held up with my headache rack and a strap. This side was pretty much completely off. And then it really sucked because the bolts weren't actually bolted through the bed. They're underneath the bed. So I had to make holes, drill out the old top of the bolt, and pry it off. This is what the bolts looked like after I drilled them. A couple more of the bolts there. Bed's almost off at this point. You can see I was pretty excited. I thought I got all 4 bolts, but it actually turned out there was 6 bolts. There's a bolt right there under the bed, and there's a bolt there under the bed. So I wasn't sure how I was going to get it off, so I took and ratchet strapped the box to the roof, and luckily I had enough play that I could strap it up high enough that I just drove right out. It actually was pretty easy, to be honest with you. End of day 1. It was pretty late by this time. It was like midnight or so. I was very happy. That's where I called her. The next morning, I decided to lay a board on there to see if what it would look like. Box was so bad. Got my side rails all laid out, cross rails starting to get laid out. Drilled and lagged them down to the sides. I ran out of 4x4s, so I started laying out the 2x6. Started the sides. Burnt the sides, but I didn't really like that look, so I took a rattle can and spray painted them black. Put my headache racks back on the sides. Still need to wire in the lights, make some mud flaps and stuff, but here she is.